Okay guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing this little tutorial on how to make your YouTube channel. It's a little bit different than we usually do. I know it's called the Magnificent Gaming Channel, but still, we're going to be doing that. So the first thing you want to do is create Gmail, or not Gmail, Google account. And it's probably going to show one of these, so click that. It's going to show you this. So you're going to have it as a Gmail account because why? Well, why not? So let's make it cool stuff. Of course you can do other stuff besides that, but it's going to show I'm going to make it a random thing. So let's try stuff cool. I think that's available. So let's use this as our Gmail, and then I'm going to type the password in. You guys can create your password also. So you should probably do that because you need a password. And it's going to show you this, your phone number. So then I'm going to enter my phone number. And one second, you guys cannot see what my phone number is. And then I'm going and then it's going to show you this. Just say yes, I'm in, and then go down, and then I agree. So then you have your account. So then here you go. This is your account. Cool stuff. So then you're going to go to my channel, and it's going to tell you you do not have a channel. So you're going to do create channel. Just it's loading, so just wait. What? Oh, okay. So this is going to be the channel, and pretty soon you'll probably be getting subscribers like me. As you see me, I will show you my subscribers. If you see me, I have 56 subscribers, but right now, as the other guy, cool stuff, has 0. I'm pretty sure he has 0. Yeah, he has 0 subscribers, and as you upload content and you wait a little bit, you'll probably start getting subscribers. So you can go to customize channel. You'll have 0 subscribers, and you could edit your picture and upload. It's going to show you upload photo from computer, and you can upload any photo from your computer. So if we have this, it's just going to be a clear blue photo, and what? One second. Let me try this again. So upload photo. Let's do down. Oh man. Okay, so this is a blue thing. There you go. So you upload that, and as you see, this is blue. So you can upload any picture you want. You can also go to like websites that have like photos that you can choose and make that. And then the background is just gonna be that, and then probably should then go back to YouTube, and then you go on your channel, and it's gonna have cool stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you a few things you're probably gonna need as you grow. So a good thing. So if you want a game, you're probably just gonna have to like get a game, and either Minecraft. I suggest either Minecraft, or not. Let's have more fun. Let me show you a better way to show Minecraft. Minecraft. This is really addicting to do. Minecraft. So mind how Anya I am. So that's a game you could do. So so if you want to play like video games, you should probably get a place that you're gonna have to record your screen. So we're gonna go to Screencast-Matic because that is the place that I use it. So Screencast-Matic is this website that you can record your screen. See, look, it shows this girl is watching your screen, or not watching their screen, or recording their screen, and you can do that for a long time. Let me show you an example. On my YouTube channel, the first few things I was doing is one second. On mine, I was on not this. So my channel, I was doing. I need to go to my first video to show you what I mean. So this is my first video, and what if you see? One second. If you see right there, it had this thing called recorded with. What is happening? Okay. If you see this, it says recorded with Screencast-Matic. So it's gonna have that if you don't like right here. It's gonna have that thing if you don't have the full membership, but that's okay. It's not that bad. So that's one thing. So you're gonna have to get that, or if you're gonna record games, or you could find a different website, whatever. That's how I did it. And if you're gonna become a vlogger, you should probably buy like a camera. So camera, you should probably buy a camera online. Shopping, so that it's like camera for vloggers for YouTube, or no, not film. So you're gonna have to do camera for YouTubers. For YouTube, I guess that works. So you can get any of these cameras, and that'd probably be the best for vlogging, and that's it. And one thing I suggest you do with your account, this account, you go to YouTube and you search up The Magnificent Gaming. And what? It said I have 97 subscribers. That's not true. Yep, it said I had 97 subscribers. Okay, thanks for lying, but you have cool stuff, and you have it right here, this subscribe button. I want you guys, when you're done creating your account, to click right here, like that. Just like so. You should be clicking that, and trust me, you will not regret it. Please also put on notifications, and yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed, and hopefully you also use this later in your life, or when you become a YouTuber. But guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up, and bye.